Everyone. So it is impossible to reject something that is not available. Ano yung tinutukoy dito? Yun yung pag-blame ng lack of knowledge natin. Ang reasons why yung isang tao is ignorance is dahil lack of knowledge, hindi dahil sa bad yung school system, hindi dahil bad yung school department, hindi dahil hindi nakapag-aral because sa mother-in-law, or hindi natuto because hindi magaling yung teacher. Hindi nakadepende sa kanila yung pagkakaroon ng knowledge ng isang tao. So knowledge is a decision. Nasa makamay natin yung pagkakaroon ng knowledge. So, isa sa mga knowledge na kailangan natin na matutunan ay actually nasa bahay nga natin yun that we never read, and that is the Bible also. Sabi nga ni Jesus Christ, you are perishing because of lack of knowledge. That's why ignorance exists. And there is insecurity exists with the absence of knowledge. So you don't blame other people around you kung bakit hindi ka natuto, kung bakit hindi ka nakapag-aral. Because the decisions of learning something is through or by ourselves, nothing else. That's why Dr. Myron says it's hard to reject something that is not available. We don't need to blame things around us. Why you can't learn something? Actually, you can learn even without the teachers. It's all in you. Tandaan mo, insecurity exists with the absence of knowledge. Ignorance exists with the absence of knowledge. All you have to do is to learn. And how? You start now. When? Now. How? Just read. Just learn to read. There's a lot of things that you need to know. And you will become able and skillful. Just give it a try to learn. It's in your hands. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.